for one voice just to make a comment, ask our speakers. Patrick, I wonder if you, I see your hand. If you hear me come off mute, feel free.
Yeah, thank you so much, Professor Otto, Scharmer, and everybody. Regarding to Otto's comment about the missing element, all the pieces together, I think, like they say, you know, whatever gets measured gets done. So inventing some kind of measurement for humanity, I think would be important. And a group that I volunteer here in Canada, they talk about something called the World Civility Index. And that is a measurement that they want to put on top of GDP. So instead of just measuring GDP, they want to measure something that is truly about the well-being of people. The argument is GDP, you know, if we have wars going on and factories building ammunition, guns and bombs and so on, GDP actually goes up. So does it actually help with humanity in that regard? So the World Civility Index is helping people in measuring how much effort they put into this system there. And with what Martin was talking about, a different development path, I think it's pretty much in line with something like this. So a different way of measuring in terms of the mindset and awareness. Thank you.